I am PERMUTATION, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management. Today we continue first BBA second semester quantitative techniques. In the last week we have completed almost the first part of the quantitative techniques: simple interest, compound interest, bills discounted, banker discounted, true discounted. Then we will also discuss about now we go for the next black, that is in a quantitative techniques, that is called as permutations and combinations. Then what is the permutation, what is the combination? The permutation is nothing but it's an arrangement of elements, arrangement of objectives. The combination means the selection of objectives, a selection of elements. Now what is the permutation? That means arrangement of elements or arrangement of numbers. So how the arrangement, then what is the number of times we can arrange in elements? For example, so in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then how many times we can arrange two numbers, or how many times we can arrange three numbers? So that is called as the permutation. The combination means selection of elements is called as combination. Now I will give an example. You maybe understand what is the difference between permutations and combination. In studies materials, they are given an example: A, B, C. What is the permutation? The permutation, for example, selection of one elements out of three elements. We can select A, either we can select B, either we can select C. Okay. Then combination, it's an A, B, C. This is the arrangement. In come to the combination, selection of one elements. We can select A or B or C. So that is the combination. Then come to the second one, selection of two elements or arrangement of two elements. So in the permutation, the arrangement is it right? So arrangement of two elements out of A, B, C. So we can arrange A, B. It is possible. We can write B, C. Okay. Then we can also write C, A. Okay. Then we can also arrange B, A, C, B, A, C. So this is the arrangement. Then come to the combination, the selection. Okay. A, B. You can select one set. You can select B, C. Another set. You can select C, A. The selection. Okay. It's not possible B and A. They both are same. The selection is it right? Selection A and B, B and A both are selection. The same selection. So the selections, it's not possible. So this arrangement. So we can arrange first A, B, B or A. So this is a different arrangement, but selection will be same. A, B selection, B, A selection both are same. Clear? But in a permutation arrangement, we can arrange A, B, A first, B second, either B first, A second. This is called as arrangement. But come to the combination, A, B, the selection of, for example, out of three members, you select two members. A and B you selected. Is it right? So if you selected A and B or B or A, both are same. Is it right? But when you arrange, we can arrange first one A, then second B. Either the another one option, first you select, arrange B, then A. So that is permutation. This is called as combination. Clear? Permutation means arrangement of elements. Combination is selection of elements. So for example, in case selection of three elements. How you selected? You selected arrangement for permutation A, B, C. This is one possible. B, A, C. It is possible. Is it next? C, A, B. Okay, next C, A, B. C, B, A. It is possible. It is called as arrangement. But in a selection, A, B, C only. A, B, C only. Selection of 3 elements, A, B, C, or C, B, A. This is same. The selection. We select all the 3. But arrangement will be changed. The first one preference, second preference, third preference. Is it right? So this is the concept of permutations and combination. The permutation means the selection, the arrangement of elements. The combination means selection of elements. Are we called as combination? Clear? So this is very, very important for examination point of view. Then it is very useful for your selection of, especially for take a business. So what are, for example, in your business we have a number of options to take like investment, as a selection of the employees, as they're taking a market is for example in the marketing decisions we have a number of options to purchase the different product. Then what are the possibilities are there? So they purchase this option. Okay. So on that time these techniques we can use it. Okay. So what is the formula for permutations and combinations? So we can expect these type of questions in your examinations. Okay, at least 1 or 2 questions. Minimum we can expect 1 question. Sometimes we can expect 2 questions. Okay, permutation and combination. Okay, so what is the formula? Permutation. The formula is P N P R. N P R for permutation. For the combination, N C R. N C R. Simplification formula, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N factorial minus r factorial. So in a combination, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So now the question is, what do you mean by n factorial? N factorial means multiply itself. So for example, 5 factorial. What is the 5 factorial? How to write the 5 factorials? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The 5 factorial means 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So in case 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 into 1. This is called as 4 factorial. Clear? I think it is very clear. So this is the formula to calculate the permutation. The permutations formula n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. For the combination, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. Let's we go to the problems. So in your questions there are finding NPR. 5P3. It means what? So in the permutation means out of 5 elements, you arrange 3 elements. What is the number of way you can arrange out of 5 elements? How you arrange 3 elements? Clear? So this is called as 5P3. It means 5 permutation 3. Means out of the total 5 elements, 5 numbers, 3 elements, ಎಷ್ಟು variety of arrange ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. The possibilities of arranging. So what is the formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Yes or no? So what is the n here again? What is the n? N is 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. 5 minus 3 factorial. So next 5 factorial. So 5 factorial minus 3 factorial, what is the value? 2 factorial. Is it right? 2 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. Okay. So 2 will be cancelled. What is the remaining? 5 into 4 into 3. 5 into 4. What is the value? It will be 20. 20 into 3, it will be 60. It means out of 5 numbers ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು 3 numbers ಅನ್ನು different variety of ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ arrange ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 60 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್? 60 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ 60 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 numbers ಅನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ in the question 8p6 8p6. So what is the question? Out of 8 elements you should be arranged 6 elements. ಅಂದ್ರೆ out of ನಿಮಗೆ 8 numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 numbers ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೀತಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ in the questions ಏನು ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 8 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 8 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ವೆರೈಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇ ನೀವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ n factorial n permutation 6. So here what is the formula? N divided by n minus r factorial. Is it right? What is the n? What is the number of total elements? That is 8. 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 6 factorial. 8 factorial minus 6 factorial. What is the 8? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 6 minus 2 into 1. So remaining all the numbers you multiply, get the answer. Okay. So in your study material they are given some 2 applications oriented problems related to permutations. In the first question, the question will be very interesting question. The question is, and then question number 9, in how many ways 4 digits number greater than 8,000 can be formed from the digits of 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9? What is the question? In the question you should be arranged 4 digits. How many digits? 4 digits. The digits must be greater than 8,000. Greater than 8,000. Numbers into at value greater than 8,000. Number 7 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 5. Sorry, 3, 5, 7. Then 8, 9. 8, 9. Okay. So how do you solve the problem? Here the question is more than 8. More than 8. So more than 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ first digit ಯಾವಾಗಬಹುದು? So 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3000 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. In case if you take 5000, 5000 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 7 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is the question? The question is more than 8. So what is the only for possibility only for you take, so total 4 digits. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ possibility ಯಾವುದು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲ 9 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. 9 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2p ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್? 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಈಗ? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಕೋತು? ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೋತದೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ 8 ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ 9 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ 8 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಷ್ಟು 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್. 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್. I think it's very clear. So first digit, it must be either 8 or 9. There is no any chance for 3, 5, 7. The reason is the question, the numbers more than 8,000. More than 8,000 means possibility means the chance is only for 8 and 9. So that's the reason. So out of 2, that is 8 and 9, we select one number. So we arrange one number. So 2p 1. Then remaining 3 digits. Digit 2, 3, 4. So remaining 4 digitally, we can select 3 digit. So we can write into 2 factorial divided by 2 minus 1 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 factorial. Okay. So 2 factorial divided by 1 factorial. Sorry, it will be cancelled. Then 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2. 4 minus 3, it will be 1. Next 2 into 4 into 3, it will be 12, 12 into 2, 24, 24 into 2, it will be 48. Clear? 48. It means the question very clear. So out of 5 digits number, now you should arrange 4 digits number. The numbers is more than 8,000. More than 8,000. So here the 8,000 it means is more than, the first digit must be more than 8. That means 8 or 9. So 2 elements possible. One select madadana 1p 1. So remaining 3 already now out of 3 already 3 select madkodakke equations 4p 3. So you can simplify. You can get the values. The value is 46. Okay. Okay. Another one of the important, very interesting question. Okay. Listen carefully. The question number 5 in your study materials. In how many ways 4 digits number divisible by 5 may be formed out of the digits 2, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. So what is the number of digits? Number of digits is 5. The number of digits selected will be 4 digits. You should select 4 digits. Then the number will be divisible by 5. I think the question is very clear. So you should be arranged, selection of numbers arranged. The digits will be 4 number. But the value is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. So what are the digits is 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the number is divisible for 5. The 4 digits. The end number must be, the hand number must be either 5 or 0. Either 5 or 0. So here, so the 2 is not divisible. The 5 is the end number, the digit divided by 5, it must be, the last number must be either 0 either 5. Either 0 either 5. The first case, when the end number is 0. The end number is 0. It will be 0. Okay. What are the possibilities? So this is over. What is the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 digits, you select only for, actually we are arranged only for 3 digits. So how can you write 4p3? 4p3. Clear? So listen carefully in this question. So we have select 4 digits. The total value is divisible by 5. Clear? So the digits are 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the, what is the condition? The digits must be divisible by 5. 5 is divisible only for, the n number will be either 0, either 5. So now first case, first case, the n number will be 0. So there is no chances. So the n will be black. So the last digit will be black. What is the black? It will be only for 0. The chance will be there is no alternative. So what is the remaining black? 1, 2, 3, 4. And ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ 1 2 3 4. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 4 ಅನ್ನು 3 ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಚಾನ್ಸ್. And the next one, the end will be 5. The end will be 5. End will be 5. So 5 ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಮುಗೀತು ನಮಗೆ. ಅದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಈ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಸೊ 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 0 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು 0 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನಾಟ್ 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ 0ಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗೆ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 2 3 4. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 0 is not possible because in case of 0 the value will be 3 digit. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 3 4 ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 P1 ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇನ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು 0 ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 3 ಇದೆ, 4 ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 2 ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So the last one 1 ಗೆ 1 5 5 ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is arrangement. Here shall I repeat again? The question is you should be arranged 4 digit numbers out of this number. What is this number? 0 2 3 4 5. 0 2 3 4 5. The total digit must be divisible by 5. Okay. So there are 2 chances at the end of the number. Either it must be 0, either it must be 5. In the first case, if the end number will be 0, that means these digits will be black. 0 is over. Okay. We can write 1P1. The remaining 3 digits selected out of 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 4 you can select it. Sorry, you can arrange 3 numbers. Yeah. So this is the first one. The second one, at the end of the number, it will be 5. So when the number is end 5, the last digit must be 5. The last digit must be 5. So what is that? That is a 1P1. Okay. Then come to the remaining 3 digit. The first digit is not possible of 0. It means what? What is the remaining? Out of 3 you should be selected 1 digit. Okay. Then after the selection of first one, what is the remaining 2 blocks? 2 and 3. We can select it out of 3 digits. That is 3P2. So this is the possibilities of arrangement or arrangement of 5 digits number. The value is divisible by 5 out of 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is related to permutations. So in the permutations we can have n number of applications problems. So along with the KSOU study materials, you should be take some other quantitative techniques books in book house. We can refer the another additional problems. Okay. So shall we go the next problems related to combinations. What is the combination? The combination means selection of elements. For example, in the questions there ask, what is the question? You select out of 5 3 elements. So previous is arrangement. So what is the formula? Sorry, combination. What is the formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. So what is the n value? The n value is 5. The 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay. Here the 5 factorial, 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial. You can write 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into, we can write 3 factorial will be cancelled. 5 into 4, the value is 20 divided by 2, the value is 10. So this is the how you simplify the combination. Okay. I think is very clear how to simplification, how to calculate the combination. Let us we go for some applications problems in your combinations. Okay, so in your study material, question number 10, find how many ways a party of 7 is selected from 5 boys and 2 girls if the boys must be majority. The question is very interesting. What is the question? You should be selected 7 members. How many members? 7 members. Out of 5 is boy, 6 is okay, 5 is boy, 6 is girls. Then what is the terms and condition? The condition is the boys is majority. The boys is majority. Just take on table. Okay. Now you should be selected 7 members. So in the boys and girls, the boys out of 5 members. Then 6 is total girls. The first selection. If you selected entire 5 members, then what is the remaining? You selected 1 girl. Okay. Then the boys must be majority, is it right? What is the next one? Out of 7, if you selected 4, the girls will be, girls will be, 7 is it right? 2 girls. If you selected 4 boys, the girls will be 3. Out of 7, if you selected 3 girls, so 3 boys, the girls will be 3. What is the condition? The majority must be boys. Here it's equal, though condition is not fulfilled. The condition is not fulfilled. Okay. Then here, what is the possibility? So what is the selection? You can select it out of 5 boys, you can select it 4 boys. Either out of 6 girls, here 6 girls, you can select it 2 girls. Either out of 4 boys, you can select 5 boys, you can select it 2 boys. 4C, 5C 5, 5C 4 into 6C3. This is how you select the numbers. Clear? So this is the one possibilities. This is another possibilities. Should be plus. Okay. Okay. Next, another questions, especially for examination. Okay, you can simplification the next person. That means first you should find out what is the NC5. Sorry, 5C5 6C2 should be multiply. Then again find out 5C4 into 6C3. Okay. The next question, especially for in the examination, we are confusion which question you should be take, what is the possibility of taking. So that related to examinations questions, the question number 11, the question 11, in an examination a student is to be choose any 8 question from the set of 12 question, in how many ways can be his selection. The first one was the question. So in your question paper 12 questions are there. How many questions? 12 questions. So what is the chance you should be selected only for 8 question? You should be selected 8 question. What is the number of way of selection? Very simple. Out of 12 question we can select it 8 question. 12 factorials divided by 12 minus 8 factorial into 8 factorials. Then continue the questions. What is the question? In how many ways can he do if the questions number 1 and 2 is compulsory? 1 and 2 is compulsory. So here what happened? So in the total 8 questions, the question number 1 and 2 is compulsory. It should be, there is no option. You should be answer the first 2 questions. What is the remaining? Remaining out of 10 questions. Remaining out of 10 questions, you answer 6 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer? The answer is 10C6. 10C6. This is the answer. Clear? So we can expect these type of questions for 10 marks question. 10 marks. So just for example, in the examination there are 10, find the 10C2, other 8P3. So this type of question we can expect 5 marks questions. Just to find the value of these 2 numbers, you can expect a 5 marks question. But application type of question we expect the 10 marks question. So it's almost we can 100% sure. So at least one question will become either permutation combination in 10 marks for in our examination. Okay. Thanks for watching the this class. Tomorrow we can continue the another unit. Okay. If any doubts regarding this topic related to permutations combination, we can write in our comment box. Okay. Thank you.